exquisite Kuwaiti dish. Authentic Kuwaiti chicken majboos recipe. Subscribe and like for a culinary adventure. Welcome to our channel, where we embark on a culinary journey to Kuwait. Today, we're going to share with you the secrets of making an authentic Kuwaiti chicken majboos. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to show your support. Let's dive into the taste of Kuwait. To create this exquisite Kuwaiti chicken majboos, here are the ingredients you'll need. Ingredients: 1 whole chicken, cut into pieces, 2 cups of basmati rice, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 onion, finely chopped, 4 cloves of garlic, minced 2 tomatoes, diced, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 2 teaspoons of baharat spice blend, a mixture of cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, nutmeg, and black pepper, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric, salt to taste, 4 cups of chicken broth, fresh cilantro or parsley, chopped, for garnish. Now, let's explore the flavors of Kuwait. Step 1. In a large pot, heat the vegetable oil over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and minced garlic, sautéing until they become soft and golden. Step 2. Add the chicken pieces to the pot and brown them on all sides. This will help develop rich flavors and create a flavorful base for the chicken majboos. Step 3. Add the diced tomatoes and tomato paste to the pot. Stirring everything together, allow the mixture to cook for a few minutes until the tomatoes break down and release their juices. Step 4. Add the baharat spice blend, ground cumin, ground coriander, and ground turmeric to the pot. Stir well to incorporate the aromatic spices into the chicken majboos. Step 5. Season with salt to taste and pour in the chicken broth to create a flavorful cooking liquid for the chicken majboos. Step 6. Bring the mixture to a boil. Then add the basmati rice. Stir gently to distribute the ingredients evenly. Step 7. Reduce the heat to low. Cover the pot, and let the chicken majboos simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes. Or until the rice is cooked and the chicken is tender. Step 8. Once the chicken majboos is cooked to perfection, remove it from the heat. Fluff the rice gently with a fork to separate the grains. Garnish it with a sprinkle of chopped cilantro or parsley for a fresh touch. And there you have it, Kuwaiti chicken majboos, an exquisite dish that showcases the authentic flavors of Kuwait. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to support our content. Thank you for joining us on this flavorful journey to Kuwait. We hope you enjoyed learning how to make this authentic Kuwaiti chicken majboos. Remember to subscribe and like the video for more delectable recipes from around the world. Until next time, Saadan and happy cooking!